One thing almost every business struggles with on WhatsApp is repetitive customer support. Customer keep asking the same question again and again. Pricing, order status, business timing, refund process, support request, and support teams end up spending hours manually collecting customer information before even showing the actual problem. So what if a WhatsApp chatbot could automatically answer FAQs, collect customer details, and organize support requests for you? In this video, I will show you how to build exactly that by using Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect so that you can also automate the process of customer support. Now, without any delay, let me quickly show you how this chatbot will work in real life, then we will build it together. To get help from this WhatsApp chatbot, we just have to send this keyword in here. After that, you will see my WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered, and here it has sent me this welcome message. Welcome to Bright Nova support. Please select your query from the options below. You can see as I've created this chatbot to answer my customers' queries even after when I'm offline. That's why it has sent me these 4 different options that I can choose from: pricing information, product details, technical support, or talk to sales. Here we have these 3 different quick reply buttons from where we can select what service do we want. Let us first check pricing information from here. I just send this pricing information and instantly we have received all the details about prices. Our plans starts from $9.99 per month, and these are the features that include inside this form. Now let us also check product details. We just have to send this product details inside this chat. This WhatsApp chatbot has instantly sent us this message. Here are the details about our services or products. These are all the products that this business provides, and it has also sent me this message. Please share your full name so our team can guide you further. Now let us answer for this particular question. I will provide my full name in here, and then you will see this WhatsApp chatbot will ask me more such questions. So at first, let us send our full name in here. Instantly you can see I've got this new message with my name on it. This means that inside Pabbly Chatflow you can also send personalized messages to your customer while interacting with them. This is a question: how can I help you with Cloud Sync CRM today? So as I wanted to check pricing plans, that's why I will simply send the exact same text pricing plans in here. I've sent this. Now it is asking me how many team members will use the platform. So as per my business, I will send this text 6 to 20 in here because this is the number of members that work in my company, and these are the persons who will use this platform. Next, for this you can see we have received this message for a team of 6 to 20. The best fit is growth plan 3,999 per month. It includes automation, team collaboration, and it has also shown me other available plans. Now if I want, I can also send this text book a live demo. Instantly this chatbot will help me book a live demo for myself. So with this we have successfully seen the demo of our chatbot inside our WhatsApp account, and this is how I have automated after hours customer query for my business. This was the demo. Now I will help you also create this exact same chatbot for your business. For that, first of all, we have to come up to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. To come up here, open a new tab and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow. You will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Where on the right side, you will see this button, sign up for free. Click on this button and create your free account so that you can get 100 free credits that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. With the help of these credits, you can easily try our application and create some WhatsApp chatbots for free. After that, to upgrade to the premium subscription of Pabbly, you can anytime use my coupon code JAIYT while purchasing your subscription. And the best part is, with my coupon code, you can get an exciting discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So make sure to use my coupon code JAIYT while purchasing your subscription. But if you are an existing user here, just press this sign in button and you will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. From here, to access the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, click on this access now button and you will be on the dashboard. The first thing that you have to do when you are in here is click on this add WhatsApp number button, select any of these 2 methods and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, you will be able to access this column visible on the left side. From this column itself, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot for ourselves. So for that, we have to go inside the flow and we can select this flows from here. Inside this flow builder page, we just have to click on this add flow to start creating a flow for ourselves. at first this trigger will be visible to you. This trigger, here we have to select our trigger event with the help of which we want our chatbot to get triggered. Now as I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of any keyword that my customer will send inside my WhatsApp chat. That's why I will select my trigger event as keyword or regex match. Now in here we either have to add this keyword or the regex with the help of which we want our chatbot to get triggered. But I will choose this keyword. In here I will add this keyword. After adding the keyword, we have to press this enter button. This keyword will get added successfully. Next, we have to work on our action step because our trigger is all set. For our action, as I wanted to send a welcome message to my customer as soon as they will send this keyword info inside my chat. That's why we just have to drag a thread from here, and then we have to select this text button to send a welcome message to our customer. And with that, I will add 3 different quick reply buttons for my customer to interact with my WhatsApp chatbot. To add those 3 quick reply buttons, we just have to click on this add button. We can select the type of our button from here, and then we have to give a name to our button. Just press this save button. Your button will get added successfully. I have added this welcome message, and along with that I have also added these 3 different quick reply buttons: pricing information, product details, and technical support. Now we just have to work on these buttons one by one to successfully complete our chatbot. First of all, let us work on this button, pricing information. Now as I want that whenever my customer will select this option, I want to send all the details to my Pabbly Connect account, where we will create a workflow so that we can also store the customer details inside our Google Sheet. Let me show you the workflow that I have created. This is the workflow with the help of which every time we will receive a new message from our Pabbly Chatflow account, instantly all the details get added as a new row inside my Google Sheet. This is my Google Sheet. Here you will get added whenever any person will interact with my WhatsApp chatbot and whenever they will share their personal information with my chatbot. All the details will get added as a new row inside our sheet. Now we have to go back inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. Here, as I want to store the button selected by my customer, so for that I will take help of contact custom field. From this action features, we just have to drag this set custom field and drop it in here. First of all, we have to select the contact custom field that we have created to store the service type selected by our customer. I will select this. Then from this drop down, I will select the service type contact custom field that I have created to store the service type selected by my customer. Then inside this enter value, we have to add the same text that is added inside our button. I will add this text in here. Now we just have to connect both of these flowing circles, and with this the contact custom field is ready. From now onwards, whenever any customer will select this pricing information button for themselves, my WhatsApp chatbot will remember the selection made by them, and later by simply applying a $sign in front of this contact custom field, we can simply either send the response that we have captured here to our Pabbly Connect account, or we can also send these details by mapping them inside our messages to our customer as a personalized information. Now as I wanted to add this contact custom field to my second button, product details also, that's why I will just duplicate this from here. I will drag it. I will change this enter value from this button, product details. Now I just have to connect both of these flowing circles, and here the contact custom fields are ready for 2 of my buttons, pricing information and product details. Now we will work on this later, but right now I want that whenever my customer clicks on this technical support button, I want to assign them an AI assistant that I have already created. So for that, we just have to drag this assign AI assistant node, drop it in here. We have to connect both of these flowing circles. Then from this drop down, we have to select the AI assistant that I want to assign. This is the automated customer support system AI assistant that I have created, which I want to assign to my customer whenever they will select this button, technical support. Then for this start with, we have to select this use client message, or we can also select this welcome message. Then in here we have to add a welcome message which our AI assistant will send to our customers whenever they will select this technical support. Now in here, let me quickly add this welcome message. I've added this welcome message. Hello there, how can I help you? Now after this, we just have to work on these buttons further, pricing information and product details. Now whenever my customer will click on this button, pricing information, I will show them all the details about the pricing. So for that, as I want to ask a question along with that pricing button, that's why I will just drag this ask question button, drop it in here, connect both of these flowing circles. Then in here inside this enter message box, I will add all the details about the pricing along with this question. Now please share your full name so our team can assist you further. That's why for this contact custom field, I will select this customer name contact custom field that I have created to store the name of my customer. This is my field. I will select this. For this format, we have to select any format in which we want our customer to reply for this question. I will select it here as text. Now just like this, I want to ask some more questions after my customer will share their name. So for that, we just have to drag more of these question buttons from here. We have to duplicate them, and then I will quickly frame them. I have framed all of these question buttons. Now you can see this is the first question that I will ask my customer whenever they will select this option, pricing information for themselves. In this question, I will ask my customer for their full name. That's why I've added this contact custom field also. Then for the second question, I will ask them, please briefly describe your issue or requirement. That's why in here I've selected this contact custom field as notes and format as any. Then for this second button, product details, also I have dragged a question button, and in here I have framed this message where at first I will provide all the details about the service or products that I provide in my business, and then just below this I have asked this exact same question so that my customer can share their name with me. After that, I've selected this contact custom field. Now I will quickly select this format also. With this, I've asked all the questions that I wanted to ask my customer. Now for the next step, we have to send all the details that our customer will answer for this question to our Pabbly Connect account. For that, we have to drag API request from here. But before that, let me tell you what I personally like about this setup is that it works like an automated support and sales assistant together, because prospects receive instant responses while your support team spends less time answering repetitive questions manually. And once you understand workflows like this, you can automate much more. For example, you can qualify sales leads automatically, schedule demo calls, trigger onboarding workflows, update CRM systems, send trial reminders, or automate customer support follow-ups, all without any coding. So if you also want to try Pabbly Chatflow on your own, you can use my coupon code JAIYT to get a special discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plan. So go and purchase your subscription before this offer becomes history. Now let us send our customer's answer to our Pabbly Connect account. For that, we just have to drag this API request and drop it in here. Now first of all, for this briefly described question also, I will connect a thread from this question to this question. Now we just have to connect both of these following circles so that whenever my customer will select any of these following buttons, product details or pricing information, at first their details that they have selected, the service type will get stored with the help of this custom field. Then based on the service they have selected, they will receive either the details about pricing information or all the product details. After that, when they will share their name, instantly this question will get sent to them for both of these buttons. Please briefly describe your issue or requirement. And after they will successfully describe this issue also, automatically all their details with the help of this API request will get sent to our Pabbly Connect account. This means that we just have to set up this. But before that, let us drag a thread from here, select this text button and frame our final message button that will get sent to our customer when they have successfully answered all the questions asked by my chatbot. So in here, we just have to add this text, thank you $customer name. We have received your request regarding $service type. You can see with the help of this $customer name, I will map the name response that my customer has provided me. And then with the help of this $service type contact custom field, we will map the service type that our customer has selected. Now we just have to work on this API request. For that, open this. Now at first for this request, we have to select this post because we are going to post data from here to our Pabbly Connect account. Next, we need a webhook URL which we will get from our Pabbly Connect account. So for that, from this all apps page of Pabbly, you just have to click on this access now button inside the Pabbly Connect box so as to access the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Click on this button and you will get directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. In there, on the right side, you will see this button, create workflow. Click on the button and you can simply start creating a workflow from scratch. But as I have already created a workflow, so I will show it directly to you. First of all, for your trigger application, you have to select this Pabbly Chatflow. Then for your trigger event, select this new message received, press this connect button. You will instantly receive a webhook URL, which you can simply copy from here, go back inside Pabbly Chatflow and paste the webhook URL. Next, you are required to add some key and contact custom field which you want to send to your Pabbly Connect account. Now, first of all, as we want to send our customer's name, so that's why we will search for this customer's name contact custom field from here. Then we have to select this. For this key, we just have to type down the same text name. Then for this add more field, we have to click on this to add more field. Now here, I will also send the service type selected by my customer. I will select the service type. Now in here, I will just type down this text service. So just like this, I will quickly send one more contact custom field. So in here, I will search for this notes contact custom field. I will select this. Then here, I will add this notes again. Then we just have to press this test button. In here, we have to provide some dummy details to test. So let me add these dummy details also. I have added these dummy details here. Now we just have to press this run test button. Instantly these details will get sent to my Pabbly Connect account. It is successful. So we just have to save this, go out and click on this save button to save our WhatsApp chatbot. With this, we have successfully completed the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot, which will instantly get triggered as soon as any customer will send this keyword info inside our WhatsApp chat. We have completed this chatbot. Now we just have to work on the workflow that we are creating to store all the details sent by our customer as a new row inside our Google Sheet. So let us open our Pabbly Connect account. In here you can see I have sent a response from my Pabbly Chatflow account. To check that, we just have to refresh this field from here. Instantly in this drop down you can see we have received a new response just now. I will open this. Inside this response you can see these are all the details that I have added inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. This means that our trigger application Pabbly Chatflow is working all fine. Now for this action application you have to select Google Sheet. After that, for this action event, select this add new row, create a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheet. Then you just have to select the spreadsheet and sheet where you want to add all the details as a new row. So inside my Google Sheet you can see the name of my spreadsheet is worksheet and the name of my sheet is customer queries. So in here also I have selected the exact same spreadsheet and sheet. Now you can see here these details are added. I want to show you how you can add this data. Now first of all, to add these details we have to take help of mapping, because by mapping the details that we will add here will get changed automatically as soon as we will receive a new customer's entry through our WhatsApp chatbot. But if I will add these details manually, they will remain static and they will not change unless we manually change it. So this means that to allow our data to get changed automatically, we take help of mapping. To map data, you just have to press a slash here. Then from this drop down you can easily select the value which you want to map. Here we want to map the name of our customer, so I will click over this name and it is mapped successfully. Then for this phone also we have to press the slash. Then from this drop down we can easily select the phone number sent by our customer. Now inside the previous response that I have sent, I missed to send the phone number, so I created a request here again, and now inside here I have also added this contact customer field mobile number to send the mobile number of my customer also to my Pabbly Connect account. That's why inside my new response here this phone is visible to us. Now we just have to click over this and it is also selected. Now let me quickly map all of the remaining fields. I have added all the required fields. Now we just have to press this save and send test request button. Instantly all these details will get added as a new row inside my Google Sheet. I will open my Google Sheet. Here you can see all the details about this new entry Jai Tripathi have got added successfully inside my Google Sheet. This means that the WhatsApp chatbot and this workflow that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect are working all fine. With this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this after hours customer chatbot inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So this is how SaaS businesses can automate customer engagement by using Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. This was a powerful AI setup that can improve lead conversion, reduce support workload, and automate customer communication at scale. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to use my coupon code JAIYT while purchasing your subscription. If you want to use this flow, copy the link of this flow from the description box and you can use it directly for your business. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot right now. I will see you in the next automation tutorial. Not just this, you can create many more type of WhatsApp chatbots, AI agents, or schedule broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you are thinking to buy your subscription, you can check out the prices from this website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you like the content that I have created, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly. So what are you waiting? Just go and create your first chatbot right now.